Due to fraud, to error, and to issue an auditor's report that includes opinion. Reasonable assurance is a high level of assurance, but it is not guarantee that an audit conducted in accordance with PSA will always detect material misstatement when it exists. No? Yun yung sinasabi natin. Kahit ginawa ng auditor yung lahat ng pwede niyang gawin, hindi naman niya nag-assure, no? It is not a guarantee that an audit conducted in accordance with PSA will always detect material misstatement when it exists. This statement can rise from fraud or error and are considered material if individually or in aggregate they could reasonably be expected to influence the economic decisions of users taken on the basis of the financial statement. Sinasabi natin yan material kung the omission of that amount would have, give different decisions sa financial sa mga user ng financial statement. Material lang yan kung ang bagay na yan nagpapabago ba ng decision ng isang user. Na pag hindi siya nagpapabago, then it is considered immaterial. As part of the audit in accordance with PSA, we exercise professional judgment and maintain professional skepticism throughout the audit. Yung sinasabi natin sa chapter 1, no? Dapat you have your professional judgment, okay? And maintain professional skepticism. Ano ba skepticism? Yung medyo may duda ka, or instead of giving the presumption na everything's regular, it is safe na masipin mo merong talagang mga possible na error na tinago. Okay? We also assess the risk of management statements of financial statement, whether due to fraud or error, design and perform audit procedures responsive to those risks. Obtain an understanding of internal control, evaluate the appropriateness of accounting policies used in the reasonableness of accounting estimate, and related disclosures may be made by the management. Evaluate mo yung accounting policy, no, use and reasonableness of accounting estimate. Ano ba yung accounting estimate? Kunyari yung mga life of the asset, yung mga how long the asset will will be used, no? Dapat reasonable yan. Kunyari computer normally mga 5 years lang yung nasisira na yan, obsolete na. What if nilagay dyan 25 years, no? So yung appropriate accounting policy, ano ba accounting policy na sa mga accounts nila, no? Kunyari sa petty cash, ano ba accounting policy, masyado bang maluwag, di ba? So i-evaluate yan, no, yung mga accounting policy if they're really appropriate, and reasonableness yung mga accounting estimate. Kasi accounting estimate ginagamit yan sa aging of receivable, sa depreciation, okay, even sa mga amortization of let's say sa amortization of other asset. So, those are to be examined, evaluate nyo kung ang okay ba, no? Conclude on the appropriateness of management's use of going concern basis of accounting and based on audit evidence obtained. Ano bang sinasabi natin pag sinasabi namin going concern? Ibig sabihin yung kumpanya hindi pa magsasarado. So, the auditor should conclude whether actually the company should be able to use the going concern. Kasi pag ang kumpanya mukhang magsasarado na because of, for example, nalulugi na siya or nagiging insolvent na siya, wala na siyang ability to continue the business because of lack of funding, the auditor should conclude, no, kung tama pa ba yung sabihin ng auditor ng kumpanya they are still going concern, meaning going concern hindi pa sila magsasarado, no? And evaluate overall representation, structure and content of financial statement, including disclosures and whether the financial statement represent underlying transactions and events in a manner achieves fair presentation. Yung mga financial statement nag-represent ba yan talaga ng mga underlying transaction? Remember class, the reason you have your financial statement if because based on the mga entrada sa ledger, no? Yung mga entrada sa ledger na galing sa journal entries. Yung mga journal entry, ano ba yon? Accurate ba yon? Yun yung tanong, no? Ito bang mga financial statement, they actually reflect the transactions na nangyari? Bakit ba hindi sila mag-reflect? Hindi sila mag-reflect kung mali-mali yung journal entries. So, ibig sabihin, kung mali ang journal entries mo, mali din yung financial statement mo. Ibig sabihin, they do not reflect yung mga transaction talaga nangyari. We communicate with those charged with governance regarding, among other matters, the planned scope of timing of the audit, and significant audit finding, including any significant deficiencies in the internal control as we identified during the audit, no? We also provide those charged with governance with a statement that we have complied with relevant ethical requirement regarding independence, and to communicate with them all the relationship and other matters may reasonably be thought to bear on the independence, and whether applicable provide related